Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on Additional Settings. Now click on Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Keyboard. Following that, select Theme section, scroll down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings, but this time tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now just click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then hit Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!